Hi, this is Doris. This is the Surveyor. I call, it's Gate 14 and Gate 2, and I refer to it as the road worker because he's holding up a sign that's 14 inches tall, and the Gate 2 I refer to as the key sign because there's always at least two ways to go. On your human design charts, you can see that it runs right in the middle of the chart. The 2's on the top and the 14's on the bottom, and I have it pointed to in with a blue. Because it runs in the middle, it is an individual energy. It goes between the G-center and the sacral. And as you can see on the individual's chart, that's how it rates to be individual energy. Now you can either have the 2 and or the 14, or the 14 and or the 2. If you have it, the line between those two numbers will be black or red. It will be black if you know you have it, and it will be red if you have it but you don't. It's in your subconscious and you don't know you have it. And that's the difference between using the red and the black on these charts. Now there's the road worker, and he's holding his 14-inch sign up, and it does have a key on it. The road worker, it's a power skills. He's the keeper of the key. He fuels your directions in life, and he gets paid by assurance of knowing he did a good job to help you, and also wealth. So he probably gets rewarded wealth through the spirits. And the 2 is higher knowledge. They move souls forward. Recording here, you think it's small, but it's not. When you tell someone which way to go, you're actually saving them a lot of time that they would have spent going the other way. The one thing about the 214 is a lot of people doubt you because it doesn't look like always the obvious way or what to do in life in a situation. But you do have the insight, and you are right. You do know the way, and you know it. And that's all you can do. They still have free will of which way, if they're going to listen to you or not. The sign special, it does help people. Now the way that the 214 works in human design is you don't have to have the 214. They can actually share that power when someone's close enough to them. Because you know in human design that if you stand close or with someone in their aura field, you also get their lines also on your chart. That's the reason why in human design it's the aura. And yes, it does go through walls. So if you're laying against a wall and you don't know which way to go, and someone on the other side of the wall was a 214, you'll know the way, because the auras has like a 2 to 4 feet distance. But once you get away from people, then you go back to not knowing. In human design, you need to get a rave chart. That's what those charts called that have all the lines on it. You can look on the web to get a rave chart, or you can just go to my page saying let's get started, and I give you directions step by step on how to get your own rave chart. And on this one, the Surveyor, with the road worker, the key, the reward is an individual energy of assurance, of feel good, and wealth. Because it's always nice to help people. And that's the keeper of the key. And thank you.